guys, welcome back to Study with Vaishnavi Jha. In today's class, we will discuss potential energy. In last class, we already discussed kinetic energy, half mv square, and we also did some numericals based on it. And now we will move ahead towards potential energy. Okay, so what is potential energy? See, when an object is at some particular position from the ground, then the energy possessed by this object is potential energy. Or if this is a spring, okay, I stretch it or I compress it, दोनों साइड से स्ट्रेच कर दिया, कंप्रेस कर दिया, there is change in its shape. So if an object is at some height, or if there is any change in the shape of the object, then the object possesses potential energy. So we can write its definition now. Energy possessed by a body due to its height, shape, size, and configuration. Okay, so potential energy, it can be defined as energy possessed by a body due to its height, shape, size, and configuration. That sort of energy is known as potential energy. Again, since it is an energy, so its SI unit is joule. Nothing new. Joule. Now let us derive its formula. It's very easy. Okay, consider this object of mass m at a distance of h from the ground. Okay, at a distance of height h from the ground. So we will write it. Consider an object of mass m at position h from the ground. H from the ground. Okay, so now here, let me erase it. This is not needed. Okay, now here we have already studied that work done is equal to force into displacement, right? This is the first equation. Now I will calculate the formula for force. So force, we know that when an object is at some height from the ground, if it is in air, we can say that the force applied on this object can be m into g. Second. And S is what? The distance that the object will cover. How much distance is it going to cover? H. S will be equal to H. Can we put these two in this equation? Of course we can. So putting 2 and 3 in 1, what do we get? W is equal to, force की जगह रख देंगे mg, S की जगह रख देंगे h. So we get W is equal to mgh. And since work done is equal to potential energy, therefore potential energy is equal to mgh. Hence derived. So this is the derivation of potential energy. You can take a screenshot of it and then we will discuss some numericals based on it. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, so now here are two questions, and since the potential energy, the formula is very much simplified, so its numericals are very much easy. बहुत easy numericals आते हैं इसमें, कोई ऐसा बहुत top numerical इसमें नहीं आता है. So we will see the two basic numericals. Okay. So here it is given that there is an object that has mass 5 kg. Okay. And it is asked that if it is at a distance of 40 meter from the ground, calculate its potential energy. Okay, so let's solve it. See, write the given things. Mass 5 kg without any doubt. Distance 40 meter. You have to calculate what? Potential energy, because it's some height, it is at some height. So obviously the energy that you have to calculate is potential energy. So we know the formula mgh, but we do not know the value of g. Question में given नहीं है तो 9.8 ही लेना है. Okay, now put the values. 5 into 9.8 into 40. Remove the decimal 0. So this is 20 into 98 and the answer comes out to be 1960 joules. Very easy. वेरी इजी, बहुत इजी न्यूमेरिकल होता है इसका. नेक्स्ट इसमें सोल्यूशन. अ गर्ल ऑफ मास 40 kg इज क्लाइंबिंग अ रोप. एक रोप है, उस पर एक लड़की जो है वो क्लाइंब करने की कोशिश कर रही है. बहुत सुंदर लड़की है ना. चोटी भी दे देती उसको, चोटी भी दे दी. सो शी इज ट्राइंग टू क्लाइंब अ रोप. ओके, यू हैव टू टेल that when she is 1 kilometer away from the ground, then what is its potential energy? Very easy. Mass 40 kg, distance 1 kilometer, g we don't know, write it as h. Oh sorry, g is 9.8 and you know the value of formula of potential energy mgh. 40 into 9.8. Now h is 1 kilometers. You have to convert it into meters. आपको मीटर में चेंज करना पड़ेगा. So 1000 meter. Remove decimals, zeros. 4 9s are 36. 392 000 joules. So this is the value of potential energy. Take a screenshot of it. So yes, this is it. We are already done with potential energy. So in the next class, we will discuss conservation of energy, okay, and then power. So this is very easy chapter, very brief chapter. I already told you that this is a very brief chapter. बहुत छोटे छोटे कॉन्सेप्ट्स है इसमें, बट इसमें क्वेश्चंस जो बनते हैं बहुत अच्छे बनते हैं. हालांकि पोटेंशियल एनर्जी में इतना कुछ है नहीं, मतलब इतना कुछ खास इस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूले से नहीं बनता है, बट ओके बेसिक भी है तो आपको आना चाहिए. डेरिवेशन आती है 1 मार्क में, 1 या 2 मार्क में डेरिवेशन में कम. ओके, सो यस, दिस इज इट फॉर टुडेज क्लास. एंड अगर आप लोगों को मेरा समझाया समझ आया हो तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन भी अपना ऑन कर दें ताकि आप लोगों को पता चलता रहे कि मैं कब कौन सी वीडियोस अपलोड कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो टेक केयर, बाय बाय.